Maxis. It is a Maxis. So torn. Am I gonna eat it? With the next CEO. Is a successionization.
Oh, it's sold out.
For each other, and then this is the last. Parang kumbaga, this is a culminating your full individuality. Something like that.
Or different selves.
Under the water era.
What relationships do you want to renew?
Eden, thank you for reading my dissertation and making comments and for passing me. And I'm so sick of the songs, I'm so tired of tears, so done with mission, you were still here.
Lift here. Yeah, then other side. And then other side. And then again. And then again. You step behind me. That's it. And then lift. And then sit.